Hey guys, so new Sanctum Airdrop update. First of all, if you haven't watched any of my previous videos and you are starting right now, you can watch, and both links will be in the description. So if you haven't started, I would recommend you to start it because you are super early. We aren't even 1 month in this airdrop. That's why this is one of the earliest that I am personally in. And I would recommend you to start. And yeah, again, all the links are in the bio. And this update, what I wanted to tell you is 4 hours from this video, there will be a new multiplier reward, which is 2x if you are staking Bonk Soul and Strong Soul. So what you basically do, so basically the ones that you have to buy is this Bonk Soul, which is Banksy, and Strong Soul, which is Stonky. Right here you can see Strong Soul, Stonky. So these two will have 2x multiplier in about 4 hours. So take this opportunity to get 2x more points than most people, because I think most people will not see this announcement because you just have to go on their Discord to see. So that's basically the last update. And again, if you haven't started it, this is really early. And if you want to get more points at the end of the season, you have to use a referral code. My personal referral code is in the description and on the screen as well, as you can see right here. And yeah, again, if you haven't started, there are quest 1 still available, quest 2 as well. And what you have to do in these quests is basically you go right here, you press to the quest number 2 of 3 quests. Then you go down here, click 2 times, and here you will get the correct answer. It is in my latest video. And for the quest number 3, the same thing. You go, press, and here you will get the quest number 3. And why you want to do this quest is most likely you will get more experience points right now or at the end of the season 1. And season 1 will most likely end in 6 to 8 months, in my opinion. That's why I would recommend you to start right now. We are super early. And yeah, if you want to know how to farm this airdrop effectively, go to my first video. Both videos are in the description. Both links, both videos. So thanks for watching. And if you don't want to miss on any upcoming crypto, NFT, and airdrop alpha, press the subscribe, press the notification bell. So every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on these incredible, insane upcoming airdrops, airdrop alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.